What's going on? Free Bills NI here with a new video today. This is going to be something different, not in the garage, not fixing cars, just talking to the camera basically. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you 5 places you can buy damaged cars all over the UK, no matter where you're from, Northern Ireland, England, anywhere like that there. So let's start. First place, and a lot of people probably already know, is Copart. Now Copart's a big place all over the world, it's a worldwide company. Northern Ireland, I think of like 3 places in Northern Ireland, maybe I'm wrong, but there's loads of places all over, there's loads of places over the UK. Now the only problem I find with Copart, their fees tend to be very dear, but you can pick cars up pretty cheap. So Copart, don't know, I've only ever bought one car off Copart, and that was it. It's alright, don't get me wrong, but a lot of people know that the website, so cars can tend to get a bit dear. Now the second place is not many people know, maybe a couple of people, I don't know, maybe some of you will know, is motorhog.com. Obviously it does salvage and damage repairables too. It's based in England, so it is on over places like that there. It's not based in Northern Ireland, I don't think, but obviously you can still buy cars off and get them shipped over. Now I don't know how their fees are, I've actually never bought anything off them, so I haven't. So the third place is HBC Auctions, salvage auction. Not many people know that place, but there's one place in Northern Ireland and the rest are in like England and stuff. Now their cars you can pick up relatively cheap, and their fees aren't too bad. I've bought a couple of cars off them and they've been easy to work with. You just go up, pay them cash, or no, don't pay cash, you have to pay card, and that's it. Now obviously all these I'm giving you, you have to sign up for them all. There is a fee for signing up. I think Copart's like £100 and stuff. You have to wait for your account to be activated and stuff like that. Don't know about Motorhog. I know HBC you have to maybe pay £100 too, but it's all worth it, you know, especially when you're buying damaged cars, half the price of a good one, you know. Another one I am not sure with, but I know where it is Asm Auto Recycling. Now it's based in Oxfordshire and Buckinghamshire, around that area I think. So I've actually never worked with them, but I was on their website today and some of the cars actually seem pretty good, and they do all different stuff. I don't think it's just cars, I think there's all different stuff. But I can't really talk too much about that. I don't know their fees, I don't know anything, I don't know if you have to sign up and pay how much. But anyway, you can bid freeze all online obviously. Another place is Raw 2K. I know there's a place in Northern Ireland, but there's loads all over UK. There's only one in Northern Ireland. I could be wrong. And I've know nothing about their fees, never bought anything off them. You know, they could be sky high. I think they do track machines, tractors, motorbikes, all that sort of stuff. You know, whatever you're into, they'll do. Anyway, so that's the 5 places. I'll leave them down in the description, the link of every one there is. Another wee thing I want to talk about is, like, a lot of people ask me, you know, what's Category N? Category N used to be the form of Cat D, which meant that the car was damaged, but it's non-recorded. I think that's what it means. Obviously it's Cat N then. Now vehicles with, that's basically vehicles with non-structural faults. Category S used to be Cat C. They've changed all this, I don't know why. It used to be Cat D, Cat S and stuff, but Cat S used to be a form of Cat C, so it means structural damage that can be fixed and put back on the road. Now if I could recommend you, do not buy Category S, because some insurance companies won't actually take you on, where if they do take you on and they don't know it's Category S, if you have an accident, they'll not cover you. I've knew people that's happened to. And the next one would be Category B. Category B is extensive structural damage, which basically means it can't be put in the back of the road. I'm not sure it can't be put back on the road, you can only break it, so that's why it's Category B, Category breaker. So people that ban them be like breaker yards and stuff like that, or if you're caught putting that on the road, I think that's against the law. Not sure, like, but anyway. Now this was one I didn't know. Category A, didn't even know there was Category A. Category A is beyond any repair, strictly scrap only. So obviously, you know, it's just scrap. You can't even repair it. But I thought that's maybe what Category B was. But anyway, something you learn every day. So, you know, if you want any more wee videos, I guess, any more wee tips about buying cars, just drop a comment or whatever, or any more. I have a couple of more wee places for buying damaged cars, but just leave a comment, let me know if you want to know more, and I'll just drop them down below. Anyway guys, this is Rebuilds NA. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.